Okay, so today I'm just going to review rounding for you. In this particular number, we're going to just round to the nearest tenths place. The tenths place is one number behind the decimal, and we're always going to look at the number to the right of that number that we are rounding in order to determine how we round. Very simply, if the number to the right of the number we're rounding is 5 or more, we're going to increase our place value by one number. If it is not, then our place value simply stays the same. So because 2 is not 5 or greater, then rounded to the nearest tenth place, this number simply becomes 0.600 or just 6/10. It's going to stay the same. Okay, so we're going to look at this same number, and this time we're going to round to the hundredths place, which is two numbers behind the decimal. Again, you will be looking to the number of the right of the number you're rounding, and if that number is 5 or more, then your hundredths place value will increase by 1. So because 5 is 5, then our hundredths place value is going to increase by 1, which makes this number rounded to the hundredths place 0.63 or 63 hundredths. You can even add a 0 here, but it's really not necessary.